Hey guys, today we're in the Ozark National Forest here in Arkansas. We're hiking to Big Creek Cave Falls. It's a big waterfall that comes out of a cave. We're about to cross this creek here and then walk through a field, so come along and enjoy the hike. We should be getting fairly close to the waterfall. We're walking along this trail right along the creek here, and we're hearing a lot of other smaller waterfalls and little cascades going down the creek. We can hear it, but we can't see it. Yeah. Getting close. All right, so we just took that sketchy hill down the side, and then you got the mouth of the cave right here. How awesome is this? Creek flows out. Spooky. Well, we're trying to find a camp spot before it gets dark, but we're having trouble finding flat open space for a tent. So if you do just decide to come here and you want to camp, maybe bring a hammock. Well, we weren't having any luck finding a good camp spot along the creek, and Angie started getting a pretty bad headache. We're already close to the trailhead, so we just decided to make it back to the car, head on home tonight. Nonetheless, it was still a great time. the camp gear and everything just added a little extra weight for a workout and practice for a future trip. We still got to see the Big Creek Cave Falls. It was marvelous and running well. Definitely glad we made it out here today. Thanks for watching.